Hi, my name is Hillary Sizemore, and I'm part of your client experience team here at DreamBox Learning. I'm thrilled to share with you our new student usage bulk export feature. To access this feature, navigate to the Reports tab at the top of your screen. Then, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see a My Exports section. Our bulk export feature allows you to export student usage data from a custom date range of your choice. You can use this feature to look at data quarterly, to view it for intervention purposes, to support math challenges, and more. DreamBox wanted to design a feature that allows you the flexibility to choose the date range based on your goals and needs. To create a new export, simply click the New Export button. Select your start and end dates, and then select the metrics that you would like to view. You can select the total lessons, the total time, or all metrics. Press the Request button and you're all set. When your report is ready to view, the status will be marked as ready. Simply click the Save button to download and save your data. When you access the report, for each day of the date range you selected, you'll be able to see the metrics you chose broken down on a daily basis. Since the report is given to you as an Excel file, you'll have the ability to merge this information with other data points you may have, as well as use this information to complete your own analysis that aligns with your goals. Please reach out to us with any questions you have about our newest bulk export feature. Happy reporting!